Pineapple sasav can be served as salad or side dish. For this we will need pineapple. This is the Rani pineapple, the sweet variety. Cut the ends and remove the skin as shown. Remove the eyes of the pineapple. Cut 3 at a time and slit them as shown so that less wastage is there. Now all the eyes are removed. Cut into 4 vertically and remove the center part. The center part is hard. It doesn't cook nor does it taste good, so we will discard it. Now discard this stem. Cut the pieces along the groove that we made while cutting the eyes and chop them into pieces. Bite-sized pieces are good enough. This is the entire pineapple, but we will use only some part of it. Rest you can freeze. Take 1.5 cup pineapple pieces. We need to dry roast mustard. Saswa is mustard in Konkani. Dry roast mustard. Put it in a mixer jar. Add 1 cup fresh coconut, 8 peppercorns, 1 red chili which is less spicy and 2 Goan dry chilies which are spicy, 1 small piece tamarind, little salt and jaggery 2 tablespoons. Grind all this to a coarse paste with 1/4 cup water. Mix it with pineapple to form a salad. Now this is uncooked, so it can go as salad. If you want to keep this for a long time, say 3-4 hours, then the coconut may go bad. It may smell, so we can boil it. Don't have to add water. The pineapple will leave little water once you start cooking it. Don't overcook it. Just boil it a little. Now this will remain good for some time. This is ready to serve. If you like my recipe, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.